Which planet is known as the planet of communication in astrology? Mercury. What is the astrological sign for those born between July 23 and August 22? Leo. Which zodiac sign is represented by the symbol of a water carrier? Aquarius. What is the ruling planet of Aries in astrology? Mars. Which planet is known for its association with love and beauty in astrology? Venus. What is the astrological sign for those born between December 22 and January 19? Capricorn. Which zodiac sign is represented by the symbol of a set of twins? Gemini. What is the ruling planet of Scorpio in astrology? Pluto. Which zodiac sign is known for its diplomatic and social nature? Libra. What is the astrological element associated with the zodiac sign Cancer? Water. Which of the following particles has the smallest mass? Electron. What is the speed of light in vacuum? Both. Which of the following is not a fundamental force in nature? Mechanical force. What is the smallest unit of matter? Quark. How many laws of thermodynamics are there? 3. Which of the following phenomena is a result of the Doppler effect? Redshift of light from distant galaxies. What is the unit of measurement for electric charge? Coulomb. Which of the following is not a type of electromagnetic radiation? Beta particles. What is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth? 9.8 meters and #x2f, s squared. Which of the following particles is responsible for carrying the electromagnetic force? Photon. What is the capital city of the United States? Washington, D.C. Which river runs through the heart of Chicago? Chicago River. Which state is known as the Sunflower State? Kansas. Which city is known for its music scene and is home to the famous Grand Ole Opry? Nashville. Which Great Lake does not border the state of Michigan? Lake Erie. Which state is known for Mount Rushmore, a famous sculpture of 4 U.S. presidents? South Dakota. Which river is the longest in the United States? Mississippi River. Which state is famous for its vibrant jazz scene in cities like New Orleans? Louisiana. Which city is known as the Mile High City due to its elevation above sea level? Denver. Which famous river forms part of the border between Texas and Mexico? Rio Grande. Which state in the west coast of the USA has the largest population? California. What is the tallest mountain in the west coast of the USA? Mount Whitney. Which city in the west coast of the USA is known for its tech industry? San Francisco. Which national park in the west coast of the USA is famous for its giant trees? Redwood National Park. Which desert is located in the west coast of the USA? Mojave Desert. Which state in the west coast of the USA is known for its wine production? California. Which city in the west coast of the USA is famous for its film industry? Los Angeles. Which river forms part of the border between Oregon and Washington in the west coast of the USA? Columbia River. Which national park in the west coast of the USA is known for its granite cliffs and waterfalls? Yosemite National Park. Which city in the west coast of the USA is known as the City of Roses? Portland. Which state is known as the Sunshine State? Florida. Which city is the capital of Massachusetts? Boston. Which state is home to the Blue Ridge Mountains? Virginia. Which river forms part of the border between New York and Pennsylvania? Delaware River. Which state is known for its lobster industry? Maine. Which city is known as the Big Apple? New York City. Which state is home to the famous Myrtle Beach? South Carolina. Which state is known for its cranberry bogs? Massachusetts. Which city is the capital of New York? Albany. Which state is known as the Old Line State? Maryland. Which NBA team has won the most championships? Boston Celtics. Who is the all-time leading scorer in NBA history? Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Which player has won the most MVP awards in NBA history? Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Which team holds the record for most wins in a single NBA regular season? Golden State Warriors. Who is the youngest player to ever score 10,000 points in the NBA? LeBron James. Which player has the most career triple-doubles in NBA history? Russell Westbrook. Who is the tallest player to ever play in the NBA? Manute Bol. Which team was the first to win back-to-back NBA championships in the 21st century? Los Angeles Lakers. Which player holds the record for most points scored in a single NBA game? Wilt Chamberlain. Who is the only player in NBA history to win MVP and Defensive Player of the Year in the same season? Hakeem Olajuwon. Who was famously known as the King of Pop? Michael Jackson. Which instrument does a drummer play? Drums. Which music genre originated in Jamaica? Reggae. What is the highest male singing voice? Countertenor. Who was the lead singer of the band Queen? Freddie Mercury. What does a metronome measure? Tempo. Who composed the famous Moonlight Sonata? Beethoven. Which female artist has won the most Grammy Awards? Beyoncé. In which country did the band ABBA originate? Sweden. What is the name of Beyoncé's most famous album? Lemonade. What is the closest planet to the Sun? Mercury. Which gas do plants use for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O. What is the process by which plants make their own food called? Photosynthesis. Which is the strongest force in the universe? Gravity. What is the basic building block of proteins? Amino acids. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. What is the unit of measurement for energy? Joule. What is the value of pi to 2 decimal places? 3.14. What is the square root of 144? 12. What is the result of 7 multiplied by 8? 56. What is the value of 6 factorial? 6? 720. What is the smallest prime number? 2. What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? 180 degrees. What is the next prime number after 17? 19. What is the result of 3 to the power of 4? 3 to the power of 4 question mark. 81. What is the value of the golden ratio? Phi? 1.618.